Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about something that might be on a lot of your minds: what happens if you miss a bread payment? Now, I know bread is a really popular payment option these days, and it's great for spreading out the cost of purchases. But sometimes, things happen. Life gets in the way, and you might find yourself a little short on cash. So, what happens if that happens? Before we dive into the specifics, let's take a step back and understand how bread works. Bread basics. Bread is a type of buy now, pay later (BNPL) service. Basically, it allows you to finance a purchase and pay it off in installments over time. This can be a great option if you're looking to spread out the cost of a big purchase or if you're short on cash at the moment. What happens if you miss a payment? So, let's get to the question at hand: what happens if you miss a bread payment? The good news is that bread is generally pretty understanding. Here's what you can expect. Late fees. If you miss a payment, you'll likely be charged a late fee. The amount of the late fee will vary depending on the terms of your agreement with bread. Increased interest rate. In some cases, missing a payment can also lead to an increase in your interest rate. This means that you'll end up paying more money on your purchase over time. Negative impact on your credit score. If you miss multiple payments or if you don't make a payment at all, it could have a negative impact on your credit score. This could make it harder to get approved for loans or credit cards in the future. What to do if you miss a payment? So, what should you do if you find yourself in a situation where you're going to miss a bread payment? Here are a few tips. Contact bread immediately. The first thing you should do is contact bread and let them know that you're going to miss a payment. They may be able to work with you to set up a payment plan or to waive the late fee. Make a payment as soon as possible. Even if you can't make the full payment, try to make at least a partial payment. This will help to avoid late fees and interest charges. Avoid missing future payments. Once you've caught up on your missed payments, make sure to make your future payments on time. This will help to avoid any further problems with your bread account. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips to help you avoid missing bread payments in the future. Set up automatic payments. This is a great way to ensure that your payments are made on time each month. Create a budget. Having a budget can help you track your income and expenses so that you can make sure you have enough money to cover your bread payments. Use a reminder app. There are a number of reminder apps available that can help you keep track of your payment deadlines. Missing a bread payment isn't the end of the world. However, it's important to be aware of the potential consequences and to take steps to avoid them. By following the tips in this video, you can help ensure that you stay on top of your bread payments and avoid any financial problems. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more financial tips and advice. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more financial tips and advice. Thanks for watching.